Today I rise to share an achievement that embodies the very best of Fijians' agriculture, enterprise, and national ambition. This is the story of our pineapple and how it has become a symbol of what we can accomplish when governments, industries, stakeholders, and communities unite behind bold vision. What was once a simple crop grown on small farms, plots, and has blossomed into one of Fiji's emerging commodity for export. Madam Deputy Speaker, pineapple grows best in the Western Division and the drier side of Unwaliapu, an environment where sugarcane grows best. And in the last decades, pineapple's contribution to our real GDP fluctuated. But with patience, investment, and innovation, the compound annual growth trend has been rising steadily. This is agriculture in motion, resilient, adaptive, and growth-oriented. In Fiji's field, there are two predominant commercial pineapple varieties, the smooth cane and the Ripley Queen. And we also have smaller acreages of Vimama varieties. Most farmers are planting Ripley Queen. It is sweet and meets overseas market standards. The main driving force to this milestone shipment was the first National Agriculture Mini Trade Forum, co-hosted by the Ministry of Agriculture, the New Zealand Ministry of Primary Industry, the Pacific Trade Investment, with generous support from Farmer Plus and the Australians AMFET. Madam Deputy Speaker, on the 5th of November 2025, under very close collaboration between the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, Biosecurity of Fiji, Pacific Trade Investment, New Zealand, and our valued private sector, Fiji successfully exported 3 tons of Ripley Queen pineapple to New Zealand. And I wish to thank all that had contributed to this successful journey. 3 tons is a very small volume, but every thorn removed and every crate pelletized presents months of hard work, precise quality control, and unwavering belief in our product. What is encouraging now is that New Zealand market is demanding for our pineapple. Madam Deputy Speaker, the brick scale is used to measure total soluble solids content of fruits. Brick values are used as an indicator of crop quality, which is crucial for quality in export markets. Pineapple requires a minimum brick scale of 12 to meet the export standard, and our Ripley Queen pineapple brick scale ranges from 12 to 16, producing exceptional quality and the natural sweet. From policy dialogue to hands-on technical training, from real-time market intelligence to logistic coordination, every component of the value chain was strengthened by the public-private collaboration. Farmers' commitment to best agricultural practices, biosecurity of Fiji's vigorous inspection and clearance, and local exporters' market expertise, Fiji Airways' reliable cargo services, freight forwarders, and product presentation on supermarkets was also part of this success. Madam Deputy Speaker, our pineapple fulfills the stringent biosecurity and phytosanitary requirements set by the New Zealand Authority. This was achieved through integrated pest, disease, and sanitary management protocols, post-harvest handling processes to preserve freshness, and approve packaging material and traceability from field to fork. Such deep discipline Quality assurance is not a luxury. It is a prerequisite of sustainable access to premium markets. And what does this successful trial shipment mean to our country? It unlocks new market opportunities in New Zealand and creates a springboard to enter into other markets in Asia and beyond. Strengthen bilateral trade relations with key strategic partners, and it expands income stream for our rural farmers, lifting entire communities through increased farm gate revenues, and it underscores our commitment to sustainable farming, responsible land stewardship, and inclusive growth. Madam Deputy Speaker, as we monitor consumers' feedback, sales data, and logistic efficiency in the weeks and months ahead, rest assured our ministry will continue to provide strengthened research and development to address market quality requirement and minimum losses, infrastructure investment to upgrade packing sheds, cold rooms, and support transport network, market intelligence service to guide exporters on pineapple pricing trend and consumers' preference, and regulatory changes, and also capacity building and cooperative farming model structures. In partnership with Pacific Trade Investment New Zealand, we are now working on developing a premium brand identity for Fiji pineapple with a 12-month marketing strategy. This will encompass brand development, consumer insight, digital marketing campaign, in-store activations, and public relations. Madam Deputy Speaker, our crop extension division is refining a long-term cultivation plan for the next 5 to 10 years, aligning agronomical intervention with production goal, and the crop research division is scaling up the propagation of high-yield planting material, while the land resources development division is mapping existing prospective pineapple farms. Together, this initiative lays the groundwork for a more robust, more resilient industry capable of sustain export growth. And to our brothers and sisters in New Zealand, I say this: buy and enjoy your Fiji pineapple. We are working on your Fiji banana. We are also working on your Fiji mangoes. And we are also working on your Fiji sasalu. I will also kindly request that be our eyes and our ears, tell us what and how we can improve our service, how we can improve our quality, and come and invest in Fiji and grow our sector together. I thank our farmers, biosecurity of Fiji, importers, exporters, logistics and transporters, New Zealand Ministry of Primary Industries, Pacific Trade, Farmer Plus, Australian Effect, and also the Ministry of Agriculture and staff for their tireless effort and unwavering support. And I thank you, Madam.
Thank you very much for your ministerial statement, Honourable Tunabuna.